The upcoming Xiaomi 15 Ultra is set to be one of the most talked about devices of the year, and it's not hard to see why. From an ultra-sharp display to a camera system that could rival professional gear, it's packed with features that are anything but ordinary. Could this be the phone that changes how you experience technology? Let's take a closer look at what it brings to the table. First, let's talk about the design and display. It's not just a phone, it's a statement. With a sleek design available in classic black and white, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a beauty. It boasts a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with an impressive 144Hz refresh rate, making every interaction buttery smooth. From HDR10+ to Dolby Vision, the visual experience is elevated to new levels, and with 4000 nits peak brightness, outdoor viewing has never been easier. It's flicker-free certified too, so you can forget about eye strain during those long binge-watching sessions. Under the hood, this device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, combined with a whopping 16GB of RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or simply browsing, speed and fluidity are the name of the game. And with 5G connectivity, including the latest bands, buffering will be a thing of the past. Now, let's talk about what many are eager for: the camera. Featuring a 200MP rear telephoto lens, this phone redefines mobile photography. Add to that 3 additional 50MP sensors, main, telephoto, and ultra-wide, and you have a complete professional camera rig in your pocket. Whether shooting in 8K at 30 frames per second or capturing intricate details with Leica lenses, it's equipped to create breathtaking visuals. And with the punch-hole 50MP front camera, your selfies just got a whole lot sharper. Battery life is another area where this device doesn't disappoint. With a 5000 mAh non-removable LiPo battery, it's built to last. The 120W fast charging ensures you'll never be tethered to a charging cable for long, and the 100W wireless charging offers convenience like never before. Plus, reverse wireless charging means you can share that power with other devices when needed. This smartphone is more than just power, it's intelligent. With dual SIM functionality, 5G VoLTE, and the latest Wi-Fi 7 connectivity, staying connected has never been easier. And it's not just about connectivity. You'll also get an array of extra features, like an in-display fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and IP69 water and dust resistance. Plus, Dolby Atmos-powered stereo speakers and Xiaomi's IceLoop system ensure it stays cool and sounds great during heavy usage. Expected to release on December 22, 2024, this flagship model is packed with features designed to not just keep up with competition but to exceed expectations. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra isn't just pushing the envelope, it's redefining what we expect from flagship smartphones. It's not just about raw specs or fancy features, this device is designed to be lived with, day in and day out. Whether you're a mobile photographer, a power user, or someone who simply appreciates an all-around excellent device, this model promises to deliver. What do you think? Is this the smartphone you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more updates on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.